All right, welcome to the weekly recap from 8:29 to 9:02. We'll try a little something different today. We'll go ahead and look at our trades that we took for the week here, starting on the 29th, which is here. We had a trade at the top. Moving on to the next day, we had another trade. These are all based on big picture signals on the 6E contract, which is the Euro FX futures contract. And you can see we drew some trend lines and some horizontal support resistance lines here on Tuesday. Let me open up our trading platform real quick here because I think we're going to take a trade here pretty soon. Let me just fire this thing up. Okay, we're good to go. Yeah, these are our trades, the big picture signal trades that we had here through Thursday. And we're dealing in Friday, September 2nd right now. And this is a live market. So everything in oval is a big picture type trade. We took off a major trend line here. And again, remember, we're on a 15-minute chart here. Well, we'll take this into a 2-minute chart later. What we can do now is, since we have our platform going, let's just make sure our support resistance lines are right. And we have traders in the room setting all this up for you. It's not say you can learn this on your own at your own time, but we have professional traders doing this for you. And you can see these trades that we took here. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the Euro 6E contract. This is our trading platform. And we'll go ahead and execute a long position here. A long position. That means we go onto this green bar and we'll execute our trade. Let's go ahead and put a horizontal line in right here. And this is where we're going to base our trade off of. And we simply point and click. We'll go over to the green side, point on the price we want to enter at, click, we're entered, and you can see these automatic 2 orders set up for the profit target at the top and the stop at the bottom. I believe we'll probably go for 6 ticks on this trade. Each tick here is $12.50, but we're in 10 contracts long, so each tick is $125. That's the $12.50 times the 10 contracts, so $12.50 a tick on the 6E, which is the Euro futures contract. Now remember, the stop protection is at the bottom. Now this is a very solid trade. We have converging trend lines and horizontal lines squeezing price. Generally in a situation like this, what you're going to see is a pretty serious pop. Usually it's a pretty violent pop to the upside. Move in our profit target to 6 ticks here, but with the holidays right around the corner, it could be oh, we're hitting off our profit target already. So that was very, very quick. Didn't get any fills though. That was a little bit of a pop, but we didn't get any fills. It hit off our profit target, but no fills. So we'll stay and wait here. We'll stay and wait for this. Now I know a lot of people. One of the huge advantages to have a trading room where you have someone helping you and calling the trades and setting up the trades for you is in a situation like this where you come right off of your profit target. A lot of people just take themselves out of the trade. They would get scared out of the trade, just take 2 ticks out of it. We're not going to do that. We're going to stay right here with the trade. We're not going to change our minds about it. This is when you're trading by yourself, it's easy to get scared and easy to you see your money fluctuating and you're looking at it as groceries instead of just this money's in your trading account. This is money you trade with, so you need to look at it kind of in a different way. But that's hard to do when you're doing it by yourself. A lot of emotions begin to come through. But in our trading room, when you have a professional trader instructor telling you exactly where to go and how to do it, you tend to follow him a lot better with more discipline. And so that's the advantages of doing what we do. So anyway, we're still at the moving price right here is in yellow is our current price of the market, and the brown cube in the middle is where our average fill on the 10 contracts is. So we're just keeping an eye out on this right now. We should get a nice bounce here. This is a very, very solid trade. Can you still get stopped out of it? Sure, but the likelihood is very, very slim. but I wouldn't say slim to none. You can always, statistically speaking, you can get stopped out of this. So we're just going to stick with it. We know it's a good trade. We know it's a solid trade based on solid technical analysis and methodology, which has been proven solid over the last 15 years. And we stick with it. So that's what we're doing right now. My prediction here is we're coming right off of this horizontal support line. We should see a pretty good bounce here I would say within minutes here, or seconds to minutes. We should see a very, very healthy bounce. Now with the holidays, again, there's less participants in the market today because a lot of people are on vacation, but the trades still go off well. Typically what we see in a situation like this with converging support resistance lines is we see a nice pop, and that's what we're waiting for. And it should be a quick one, a quick pop. Oh, we're getting close. It's a little more lethargic than what I would typically see in a setup like this. Still a solid trade though. There we go. And there we go. All right, we did it. All right, so 600 plus on this one trade. Did a little bit of analysis on the for the week of August 29th to September 2nd, and this is a good point to stop. I hope everybody has an excellent Labor Day, and we'll see everybody back in the markets on Tuesday. All right, thank you very much.